Listen carefully, because this message is not for everyone. It is only for the person who has been silent for too long. The one who disappeared. The one people started to forget. The one who failed, broke, and fell so hard that the world assumed the story was over. If that person is you, then hear this clearly. Your story was never finished. It was only paused. Because sometimes life doesn't destroy you to end you. It breaks you to rebuild you into something the world has never seen before. Think about it. The strongest storms don't appear suddenly. First there is silence, a strange calm. The sky looks empty. People relax. They think nothing is coming. And then suddenly the storm arrives and changes everything. That is exactly what your comeback will look like. Right now, people believe you are finished. They believe you lost your chance. They believe you tried and failed, and now you're just another forgotten name. Maybe they laughed at you. Maybe they doubted you. Maybe they said things like he will never succeed, or she had potential, but it's over now. And maybe, the hardest truth, maybe for a moment, even you believed them. Maybe there were nights when you questioned yourself. Nights when the room was silent but your mind was loud. Nights when you stared at the ceiling asking yourself why everything went wrong. Why the effort wasn't enough. Why the dreams started fading. Why the world moved forward while you felt stuck in the same place. But here is the truth most people never understand. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is the foundation of it. Every great comeback in history started with a moment where everything looked lost. The world loves winners, but it forgets that before every victory there was a dark chapter where the hero almost gave up. And that is the moment you are standing in right now. This is the chapter where most people quit. This is the chapter where people accept average. They stop dreaming, stop trying, stop believing. They tell themselves maybe this life isn't meant for me. But a very small number of people, a dangerous number of people, react differently. When life pushes them down, something inside them wakes up. A fire that refuses to die. A voice that whispers not yet. A quiet but powerful decision that says I'm not done. And the moment that decision is made, everything begins to change. Not outside immediately. The world might still look the same. The same problems. The same struggles. The same people doubting you. But inside, something shifts. Your mindset sharpens. Your focus becomes dangerous. The pain that once broke you now becomes fuel. Every insult becomes energy. Every failure becomes information. Every loss becomes preparation. And slowly, quietly, without announcing it to anyone, you start rebuilding yourself. Early mornings when nobody is watching. Late nights when everyone else is sleeping. Hours of discipline when motivation disappears. This is the part of the comeback nobody sees. People only celebrate the victory. They never see the war that happened in silence. They never see the lonely hours where you fought your own thoughts. The moments when quitting would have been easier, but you chose to continue anyway. Because the truth about a comeback is this: it is not loud at the beginning. It is silent. It grows in the dark. Like a seed buried underground, nothing looks different from the outside. People walk over it thinking nothing is happening. But under the surface, roots are forming. Strength is building. And one day, when the moment is right, it breaks through the ground, and the world finally notices. That is what your comeback will be. Not a small improvement. Not a quiet return. A transformation so powerful that the same people who ignored you will start asking how you did it. But remember this, a real comeback is not about proving others wrong. It is about proving yourself right. It is about showing the person in the mirror that the dream you once believed in was not a mistake. That the struggle had meaning. That the pain had purpose. Because pain is a strange teacher. It hurts. It isolates you. It makes you question everything. But if you survive it, it gives you something extremely rare. Resilience. And resilience is what separates temporary winners from unstoppable people. Anyone can win when things are easy. Anyone can look confident when life is comfortable. But the person who loses everything and still stands back up, that person becomes dangerous. Because they no longer fear failure. They have already experienced the worst. And once fear disappears, limits disappear too. Imagine the version of yourself that could exist if you stopped doubting your own potential. Imagine the discipline you could build if you treated every day like preparation for your comeback. Imagine the confidence that would grow if you kept moving forward even when progress felt slow. Most people underestimate how powerful consistency is. They look for big moments, big opportunities, big breakthroughs. But comebacks are not built in one day. They are built in thousands of small decisions. One workout when you felt lazy. One extra hour of practice. One more attempt after failure. One more step forward when giving up seemed easier. And those small actions start stacking. Day after day. Week after week. Until suddenly the person you are today looks completely different from the person you were months ago. That is when the world starts noticing the change.
Hey, it's Ring.
They will call it luck. They will say you were talented all along. They will say success happened overnight. But you will know the truth. You will remember the nights when you almost quit. The mornings when you forced yourself to continue. The moments when nobody believed in you except yourself. And that is why your victory will feel different. Because you earned it through struggle. You earned it through patience. You earned it by refusing to disappear. So if you are listening to this while feeling lost, if you feel like life pushed you to the side, if you feel like your moment passed already, remember this one thing. The world does not decide when your story ends. You do. The past does not control your future, unless you allow it. Mistakes do not define you, unless you stop trying. Your comeback begins the moment you make a decision that failure will not be your final chapter. And once that decision is made, the process starts immediately. Not tomorrow, not next year, right now. The comeback version of you starts with the next action you take after this moment. The next step. The next effort. The next refusal to quit. Because deep inside you already know something the world doesn't know yet. You know that this is not the end of your journey. This is the beginning of your return. And when the day finally arrives, when the progress becomes visible, when the results speak louder than words, when the same people who doubted you start watching in silence, that is when you will look back at this moment and smile. Because the person they thought was finished was only preparing for the greatest comeback of their life. And when that moment comes, you won't need to announce it. Your success will speak for you. But deep inside, you will hear the same quiet words echoing in your mind. The words that started everything. I am coming back. And the truth is, a real comeback does not end when you win once. A real comeback changes the way you live forever. Because once you rebuild yourself from nothing, you understand a secret that most people never learn in their entire life. You understand that your limits were never real. They were only beliefs created by fear, failure, and the opinions of others. And once those beliefs break, you become a completely different person. Think about the version of you that existed when everything first went wrong. The version of you that felt confused, disappointed, maybe even embarrassed. The version of you that wondered if people were right about you. That version of you was standing at the edge of quitting. But the person listening to this right now is different. You have already survived the hardest part. The moment when giving up looked easier than continuing. Most people quit in that moment. They accept defeat quietly. They start living smaller lives. They stop chasing big dreams because they are afraid of failing again. But something about you refused to die. Something inside you kept whispering that the story is not over. And that whisper is powerful. Because it means your potential is still alive. The world may not see it yet. Your friends may not see it yet. Your family may not even understand it yet. But potential does not need permission to grow. It only needs commitment. Every morning you wake up is another opportunity to rebuild your identity. Not the identity people gave you, but the one you choose for yourself. The identity of someone who refuses to stay down. Someone who turns setbacks into strategy. Someone who uses pain as preparation instead of an excuse. Imagine waking up every day with one simple mission: to become stronger than yesterday. Not perfect, just better. One more skill learned. One more habit improved. One more step taken toward the life you promised yourself. This is how legends rebuild themselves. They don't rush the process. They respect it. Because they know that greatness built slowly becomes impossible to destroy. Every day you continue moving forward, your confidence grows quietly.